In the wake of the ongoing crisis in Manipur, the Joint Action Committee JAC has issued a stern ultimatum demanding the state government to trace all missing individuals within 1 week. The announcement came during a public meeting held at Akam in Imphal West District, the native village of the abducted students Ningthaujam Anthony and Maibam Avinash. The JAC, organized against the disappearance of Anthony and Avinash, gathered representatives from various civil society organizations, political leaders and student bodies. Emotions ran high as attendees shared their concerns, opinions and suggestions regarding the prevailing situation. Several resolutions were passed at the conclusion of the meeting, emphasizing the urgency of the situation. If the state government fails to locate the missing persons within the stipulated week, the JAC has vowed to initiate various movements to press their demands. Additionally, they resolved to seek the intervention of national and international bodies to pursue legal action in connection with the missing individuals. The crisis in Manipur has intensified, with the public clamoring not only for justice for the brutal killing of 2 students by Kuki-armed miscreants, but also for the safe release of Avinash Maibam and Ningthaujam Anthony, who have been missing since November 5th. Despite assurances from the family members and local representatives who met with the Governor, Chief Minister and MP Laishemba Sanajauba, the whereabouts of the missing students remain unknown. The frustration among the public has led to the arrest of 2 individuals allegedly connected to the abduction.